Hello, my name is Roland with the student number 301252375, and I'm doing the assignment number 3 on Linux OS. So the first question or step that I need to do is to install and run an Apache Secure Web Server on my Linux. To do that, I need to update my program first. So I'm just gonna type sudo yum update. And the next step, if I haven't installed the HTTPD, I need to install it. To do that, I will type sudo yum, yes, install HTTPD. Oops, there you go. Since I already have it, I don't have to reinstall it again. And the next step is to type sudo systemctl enable HTTPD. And sudo systemctl start httpd, and now I need to check the status systemctl status of my httpd, and it should say active. As you can see, uh, on the third line it says active running. So it's mean that my HTTPD is working. And the next step, I just want to remove my firewall. So to do that, I need to sudo, sudo firewall cmd permanent. I put permanent so that I don't have to change it every time. So it was public service and the name, which is HTTP. Oh, okay. So let me try again. I got a typo over there. CMD permanent. So it was public service equals HTTP. Okay, good success. Now let's do with the HTTPS. Same thing. CMD permanent. So it was public service equals HTTP as in secure. Okay, success. Now I just need to reload my firewall. cmd reload. And that's it for the question number 1. Next thing I need to do is to make a RSA key. So I already fast forward the process, and this is how we do it. We type su to go to the root and go to this directory. I check cd etc apki tls private, type yuma 77 semicolon forward slash, and then type this usrbin OpenSL GENRSA and localhost, and it will generate me my RSA private key. The next step is to create a certificate. So it's a lot of process, but I fast forward it because it's too much with the words. If you just followed what I type, it will let you go there. The first thing you need to do is go to the certificate directory, then type the the US are being open SSL requirements, MySUTF and new key, private and localhost key and stuff like that. And after a while, they will ask you some question like the country name, state, locality, organization name, organizational unit, common name, and email address. You just answer those information, and they after that they will give you the certificate. The question number two is to configure the web server to use the public HTML folder for all users. So to do that, the first thing that I need to do it is to make a directory name public HTML. I already have this folder, so I'm not gonna type enter, but this is the first thing that we have to do. And the next thing that I have to do is to change something on the user directory configuration. To do that, I just need to type the link of where it is located, which is in uh, in etc. httpd configuration of the user directory config, and of course um, it's my password. Okay, so there are two things that I need to change in here. The first one is I need to put an hashtag in this location in the user dir directory disabled, and the other one is to remove the hashtag over here. Now we just need to save. Oops. Uh, there we go. And I type,
colon WQ.
and now I just need to restart the HTTPD server. Sudo systemctl restart HTTPD service. Okay, now let's check it is still systemctl status HTTPD. Okay, it's still good. And that's it for this question number two. Now let's go to the question number three. The question number three is we need to create a simple web page in a user's public underscore HTML directory. The good thing is we already made it in the question number two, which is the mkdir public underscore HTML. That's how you make a directory for public underscore HTML. So the first thing we need to do is to go to that directory by typing cd public underscore html, and you can see it that like my link is different now. It's Roland underscore localhost with the public underscore html. The next step is we need to use the I will use the bi editor because I already made the html file and I don't want to replace it. So to do that, I just gonna type bi and the name of my html inside the directory, which is I name it index.html. As you can see, this is what inside my HTML. I can edit it by pressing insert and I can type my HTML program there. I can add a title here, title, and type my index HTML and close. So this HTML will give me a title, a body with written my name, student number, and my picture. And to save it, I just need to type colon WQ. There you go. And that's how we make the a web page inside my public underscore HTML directory. Just in case, I already created another one named bi nothing found .html. It's just a website that saying that the web page cannot be found. And to quit, I just need to type colon Q and exclamation point. It's quitting without saving. Now we need to check if we have it in our folder by typing ls. And in my folder there should be three items in there. One is the index.html that we made and the nothing found.html and one extra my pic.jpg for the index.html to be used. And that's it for the question number 3. Let's go to the next question. Number 4 is just telling us to make this video and stream it, which we are doing right now. So we're gonna skip it. So let's go on number 5. The question is, or the thing that I need to do is to change the user slash public HTML directory and display the content of the directory and then display the .htaccess file. Okay, so to do that, I just need to type bi.htaccess to create the file, and I already created it. Uh, I should have just typed the following error document 404 Roland Joseph P. Nothing found .html, and this was supposed to be small. Okay. And let's save it. And we need to list or display the htaccess file. So we need to make sure that we are on the public underscore html directory, and we just put ls and a. Now we have the htaccess file. And that's it for question number 5. Now for the question number 6, we need to navigate to the etchtpd configuration directory and show the configuration paths that implemented the htaccess. To do that, we just need to type, we need to be in the root directory. Okay, let me try again. Okay, there you go. And type sudo vi etc httpd configuration httpd.config. Okay, from here we need to change something. Uh, Here we need to change this to allow, all, and granted. And that's it. Then we need to save it. WQ. And that's how we navigate to the configuration directory and implement the HT access. Okay, for the last question, number 7, it's a very simple one. It just says open a browser and display the index.html file. To do that, we just type the name of the browser that we're gonna use. In my case, I'm gonna use Firefox and the file name of my HTML, which is in Firefox index.html. And if you open my HTML file, there's my name, my student number, and the picture, which I showed you earlier, like in the question number 3 or 4. And that's it for my presentation.